Hi everybody, how's it going? Donnie Wildman here. Today I'm not in my garden, I've come out on safari to show you an installation that I did for a friend probably about 6 years ago. Now sometimes you just can't bet on the success of a project because you have to work with the client or with your friend and you have to use what's available. But here the result of this project has been overwhelmingly successful, and as you can see by the size and the girth and the color of these cactus that they are absolutely flourishing in these conditions. These stands of Trichocereus bergesii, Trichocereus patronoi, and Trichocereus peruvianus are all going completely nuts, and we're not quite sure why. There's a number of conditions down here that could affect their growth rate. The first of which is that they get more sun here on the other side of the river to my property, which is further up the valley. And this place was also flooded a few years ago, so there's a good amount of sedimentary soil which is gathered on the base here. I used tyres to do this installation for a friend, and we weren't quite sure how it was going to turn out. But I'm pretty sure that these plants have grown down through these tyres, and now they're into this sedimentary layer of silt, and they're able to take in as much water and nutrients as they need, which explains their rapid growth. Just look at the girth on this patronoi. Extremely unusual and extremely satisfying to see. This growth that you can see coming on the middle of this enormous stand is extremely unusual. It's very rare for them to grow out of the middle of the stand like this, and it just goes to show how happy they are in this environment. This is a prime example of Trichocereus bergesii. Deep color of green and very healthy new growth on this specimen. This is my good friend Vanessa Brooks, whose land this is, who runs the first holistic midwifery center in Europe. How do these cactus make you feel, Vanessa?
They're pretty cool, huh? I talk to them every day. They kind of keep me sane in crazy times. For some reason they are growing like crazy. But the babies coming out the sides have grown like so ridiculous.
Alright, thanks for tuning in everybody. If you like seeing these giant cactus, then stay tuned to the channel for more cactus and more awesome stuff from the garden. Thanks very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.